August 11th, quite early in the morning, so nothing is quite open yet. Right when you enter, off to the left is this awesome swimming area. So you've got a few different options. You have this area over here, and then you have another one over there, and there's a dock over there as well. And the falls are off to the left. So it's quite still in here. Just do a little pan around. There's some washrooms up there. The main washrooms and shower facilities are right back there with laundry as well. And then the kids' park is just tucked back over in that corner. So what I've noticed with the sites as well is the more private sites do not have electrical, and the more open sites do have electrical. And the generator hours are 10 to 10, I believe. No, I don't think 10. Definitely starts at 10. Maybe it does go to 10. Some people were running them quite late last night. Oh, that's a change house over here. Okay, that's great. Great picnic tables everywhere. Then here's the other swim area. So you can get your campsites on this side, closer to this, but the other side definitely does have a swimming beach as well. And a boat launch and everything like that as well. I've got some pictures, some video I took from my kayak when I was going through yesterday. So I'll put those at the very end so you can see the other side and some of the views, because there's some pretty spectacular spots over there as well. There's the kids' play park. And then the amphitheater is right back there. And then right behind all of that is where the dump is. So the dump station and the water. So you can see down there, those are electrical sites, and you can see how close everyone is. There's some more up here that aren't so close as well. And then mine's quite spacious, but like I said, I'm not plugged in. So let's head to the showers. Here's a map that I just spotted, so I thought I would film this. So here's the campground up here, and then there's a hike. So there's where the Russian River is, and then there's a hike all on the other sides on the lower Grand Rapids. So you can see that. You can see where I am, the star up at the top. That's right beside the playground and the beach. So that gives you a better overview. You can pause it if you want to see it a little bit longer. So here's the sites. Got north side and south side. North side 246, and those three along the water are definitely like top notch. People have their boat there. You'll see video of it at the end, like I was saying. But yeah, those are top notch. The south side have some pretty epic tent sites. And two of the big hikes are off the back of here as well on the south side. There's the shower houses. They're quite busy. And like I said, the laundry's on the back of it. Let's go in and check one of them out. Okay, so nice. Like I said, the shower houses are already quite busy. It's nice, it's private. Free, love free. It's a little sensor button. Yeah, no shit. That's great. Okay. I did not need to do that, but I kind of I'm gonna go around the back side and I'll show you the laundry. tons of them just all around. Now down and around the corner, you can see another dock, and a lot of people, as you can see, leave their boat there at night. And across all of the sites along the water there are all tent sites. Here are sites 73 to 77 back here, so a little more private. This is our site, so you can see it's quite large. So as you head towards the exit to leave Russian River Campground, you can see this great facility here. And when it was raining the other day, there was tons of people in it. And this goes over to the north side of the campground. Here's the north side. There's some great campsites right here. There's 3 right on the water for RVs. The rest of them seem to be tent spots. The tent spots are pretty incredible. They're all right on the water. So really anything on the north side that's against the water is pretty good if you're in tents. And these 3 ones right down from the beach are the good RV spots. And then you can see there's a guy's boat there. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Just pulls it right up. He's left it there. This is one of the docks in the campsite. There's 3 different areas. I guess 4 with an offshoot.